Hello traders, welcome to the new week in the FX market. In this video, I would like to talk and share with you one of the setups that I feel is a high probability trade and something that I'll be monitoring myself. Right, so why not shoot a video and share it with you guys at the same time. This pair that I'm looking at is the Pound Aussie. On the daily time frame, what I'm seeing is we do have a 3-move structure completed, and price has been forming a corrective pattern since the late of 2016 all the way to late of 2017. I do see that this corrective pattern may have been completed. Right, we are seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's actually a completed zigzag WXY from the larger degree point of view. In terms of fit, we have seen that it has also moved a 1:1. Right, that's where the 100% is. It tags it and it tags that level, and then it did impulsive drop to the downside. So right now, going down to the 4-hour chart, right, what I'm seeing is we do have a move down, which is probably our first W wave, and price has been doing its corrective move to the upside since the start of the year, and we do see 1, 2, 3 potentially completing our X leg, and right now we are projecting that there might be a high probability to the downside, targeting somewhere between 1681 to about 1.660. Right, so on the higher time frame, we are holding on to a bearish perspective, and if I zoom in to the 1 hour to look for a potential trade setup, I'm seeing that there is a W, X and Y. It's more of perhaps an ABC as well, because the last move here we can see 5 swings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That complete our top move. This is where it tags it. And right now I'm seeing that there's a huge impulse move to the downside on the hourly, giving us our first, second, third wave. So right now I'm projecting that the 4th wave is currently developing, and using that of the Elliott wave theory, so we are projecting that the 4th wave retracement can go somewhere between the 38.2 to 61.8, and of course it cannot violate the previous low of our wave 1 over here, right, highlighted as turning point. So if I continue to see price develop in a corrective manner towards this fit area, that's where I'll be looking for a short entry, potentially targeting all the way back down towards 7294 and 1.71 AUD. Right, this is a shorter term target. If I'm going for the larger targets, I'll actually use my 4-hourly time frame to give me some perspective as to how low the price can go. Right, so potentially this trade, right, if we manage to catch it somewhere there and ride it all the way down, that gives us close to about 650 pips on the 4-hourly target. Alright, but I will manage my trade on the 1 hour, and if given the possibility and opportunity, I will also look for scale in opportunity. So hope that this video gave you an insights a little bit about how I analyze and trade, but more importantly, make sure you have a proper plan and risk management before engaging the trade itself. With that, I'll talk to you in another video when I identify another trade setup. Good luck for your trading week.